Hello students, welcome to CBB tutorial. Our YouTube channel is CBB tutorial, so please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, so this is lecture 1 of biology, the living world. I am Pramod Bagli. So what about biology? The definition of biology is it is a branch of science which deals with study of life science. Okay, it deals with life science. Okay, life science, and it is a branch of science. It has three main branches: botany, zoology and microbiology. Okay, we are seeing now botany definition, zoology definition and microbiology definition. Botany is the branch of biology which deals with the study of different aspects of plants. It is the study of plants is called botany. Theophrastus is known as the father of botany. Okay, Theophrastus is known as father of botany. We are taking this video for purpose of NEET and all other board exams. Okay, Theophrastus is known as father of botany. Okay, zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology connected with the study of different aspect of animals. Here the study of animals is called zoology. Aristotle is known as the father of zoology. Okay, he is the father of zoology. So in some MCQ of NEET, they may ask who is the father of botany. You have to choose the Theophrastus. Okay, we know about biology now. Now we are going to the next point, that is life. Okay, life can be defined as a unique aggregation of molecules. These molecules have the tendency to express themselves through various chemical reactions collectively called metabolic reactions. The chemical reaction which are going on process in our body is called as metabolic reaction. Various, here they taken various, no only one chemical reaction, all various chemical reactions collectively called, that is metabolic reactions. Okay, this is a plant. In this plant very much chemical reactions are going on, that is called as metabolic reactions. Okay, this is the definition of life. Now the basic purpose of these reactions is to transform or produce and utilize energy. They may ask in the MCQ. Okay, the basic purpose of the metabolic reaction is to transfer, produce and utilize energy. Okay, the term used to define these reactions in cumulative ways is metabolism. Okay, metabolism. Through metabolism, various biomolecules are synthesized, resulting in growth, development, responsiveness, that is sensitiveness, adaptations, reproductions. These are common factors which are going on our body. Okay, not only our body, in plant and animals both. Okay, the forms of that possess and express all these features are called living beings, which occurs these all: growth, development, responsiveness, adaptation, reproduction. These all are going on in the body, that is called as living beings. In plant body, if it is going on, that is living being. Okay, in human body, that is also going on, that is called as living beings. Okay, these living beings live in almost all possible habitats like forest, mountains, deserts, oceans, freshwater bodies, hot springs, polar regions, etc. They are linked to one another by sharing the common genetic material. Okay, all living beings share characteristics like organization, energy utilization, regulation, homeostasis, growth, development, reproduction and adaptation. Here that is called the living beings sharing their characteristics, means energy utilization. By plant body, human can energy utilize. Okay, this is the characteristics. These all are characteristics all of living beings. Okay, we are making this video purpose of 11th standard and NEET purpose. Okay, so please like and subscribe our CBB tutorial channel. The living world only consider the some basic concept of this chapter. Okay, that is what is biology and types of biology, the characteristics of living beings, what is life and a living being, and the characteristics of all living organisms, the 7 characteristics, very important for your exams and NEET MCQ also. First one, nutrition means food for our body. Okay, take in, absorb, assimilate. Take in, absorb, assimilate. Take in means the human can take in the nutrition. Some of the animals that can absorb, some of assimilate. There some nutrients are there which can we absorb. Okay, organic substance, mineral, ions. We are eating that rice, jar, roti, that considers mineral, ions, these all containing raw materials in, that is energy. Okay, raw materials, energy for growth plus tissue repair. This nutrition is helps for growth and tissue repair. Plants make their own food, that is the process called photosynthesis by H2O, CO2 and light. Okay, second important characteristics is excretion, removal of unwanted material from the body. Okay, that is toxic materials, waste products of metabolism. By some chemical reactions, some waste products are produced in our body that can be removed by excretion process. Substance in excess which present in our body that can be removed. Okay, this is done by chemical changes or chemical reaction in cells. Respiration also done. Okay, third one, respiration, breakdown of molecules, that is called respiration. Food in cells. Okay, by food in cells we can respire, release energy. Okay, sensitivity, that is consciousness. Okay, sense respond, by touching anything to our body we can respond or sense. Okay, that is change in environment, stimuli. This word is very important for your exams. Okay, fifth one is reproduction. To produce young one is called as reproduction. Offspring, that is the baby or new young one is called as offspring. Prevent extinction of species, prevent extinction of species. It prevents extinction means nothing growing. Okay, nothing growing, that will be prevented by the reproduction. Okay, growth, sixth one is growth, increase in size, mass of organism by increasing cell number and or cell size is called as growth. Growth is also a very important factor in our body. This is the sixth characteristics. And seventh characteristics is movement, change of position or place of an organism or part of an organism. Okay, example, part of plants move very slowly to obtain more light and photosynthesis. Okay, we can move anywhere, but the parts of plants, they can also move slowly but to obtain the light of for photosynthesis. Okay, so please like, subscribe and click on bell icon to more videos. We are started this chapter. Now we are going to be next video. Thanks for watching video.